Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of Talking to the Camera challenge. According to quantum physics, your becoming needs the attention of an observer. I'm going to explain that. This simply means that for you to be able to become that which you're projecting or that which you're building, that which you want others to acknowledge that you're becoming, you need the attention of others, which are your observers or the people that are observing you, to join forces with you to actually believe that you are before you can become. Let me explain that a little bit further. Before you can get to the point of actually making it or becoming, you need the attention of an observer or observers. And this is because when they begin to believe the image you're trying to project them, because you are connected consciously in a universal or energetic level, their consciousness joins with yours to give you an energetic boost. And this is the reason why whatever it is that you're doing needs to be put out there. Whatever it is that you're doing, whatever it is that you're trying to become, you need to put it out there, because putting it out there for people to see, you are actually tapping into their own consciousness to make whatever it is that you're projecting, to make whatever it is that you're doing, to be able to actually exist in this time. I don't know if you understand me. My point is, like, every one of us actually has to become before we become, right? During the process of your journey to becoming, you need to put yourself out there. You don't have to wait till you are a finished product before you can put yourself out there. Before you can put yourself out there, you need to actually put yourself out there, because this process of putting yourself out there is needed to attract the focus and attention of the observers for you to actually become that which you're projecting. I don't know if I explained this, but once you understand this, this is actually called in quantum physics the observer effect, where the behavior of particles actually is affected when there is an attention of the observer. And this goes vice versa, right? Whatever it is that you're projecting, whether it is negative or positive, as long as you're doing this in front of people and people are actually looking at you and watching you, it's just a matter of time. And it can go negatively or positively. This is the reason why it's just a matter of time. If you're faking it on the internet, it's just a matter of time with enough people's attention and you become. If you are going through the journey of becoming, if nobody pays attention to you, it takes longer, because now on a conscious energetic level, you have nobody keeping you accountable. And when people pay you, literally pay you with an attention, because attention is literally energy currency, it is just a matter of time before, if enough people pay attention to you, it's just a matter of time before this attention is going to manifest physically into money. And this is the reason why you should focus more on getting the attention, getting the energetic currency, which is attention. And then once you've gotten this attention, people have paid you with this attention, it's just a matter of time. Whatever it is that you're selling, whether it is joke or entertainment or sales, product, whatever it is that you're selling, if you have people that are willing to pay you with their attention, they are going to buy whatever it is that you're selling, and it's just a matter of time. It's going to turn into money. So I'll say this again: if you're faking it before you make it, or if you're on a journey of becoming, which is literally fake it till you make it, before you can get to the point where you make it, you have to be believable. You need to be believable, because if you're not believable, then you haven't gotten it right. Which means that for it to actually look believable enough, you must have worked on yourself for you to attract another person's attention, for them to actually keep paying you with this attention, which is, like I said, is an energetic currency. And when you've gotten to this point, you join forces with another person's consciousness. Plus that, the universe, God, has literally no choice but to grant, or whatever it is that you're trying to manifest will find it easier to manifest when this happens. And this simply means, on a quantum level, there are infinite possibilities of who you can become. And for you to actually choose a particular identity and be able to fake it, it means that you are identifying with that infinite possibility. And when you've projected it enough to be believable enough for another person to now believe you enough to pay you with their attention, it means that the universe, because other consciousness has acknowledged that reality, the universe will have no choice but to support you in whatever it is that you're doing and make that possibility or that image or that projection to become your reality. So I hope I actually articulated this well enough, because when this download dropped into my consciousness this morning, I was mind blown. Please do not miss the chance to put yourself out there, to project it or fake it well enough, which will actually require you to do the work. When you put yourself out there, you know people are watching you, and because they believe it, they are going to now subconsciously, unconsciously affect how you behave, which is keeping you accountable to become that which you want to become. Simply means that the focus or attention of other people, the fact that other people are watching you, affects your behavior. It keeps you accountable on a spiritual, energetic, conscious, universal level, because guess what? All of us are connected. We are all connected. Just as the focus and attention of the observer affects the behavior of the particle, or affected the behavior of the particle, other people's focus and attention affects your manifestation, affects your behavior, affects the intensity and how quick your becoming or your manifestation is. And guys, I'm literally walking on the road as I'm doing this video. So guys, thank God we are now blessed to be in a time where we are now all allowed to not just use the internet, social media, where we can have each other's attention, where we can have each other's consciousness monitor, and where we can. So there is literally no better time to be alive. There is literally no better time to get anything quickly manifested than now. So congrats to each and every one of us. And if this video found you, then it is not by mistake, because it means that the universe actually wants you to know how to take best advantage in your manifestation journey, in your becoming journey. If you want to see more videos like this, like and follow to keep me on your algorithm. All right, have a beautiful, wonderful day. Bye.